Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. So, first of all, you'll need to open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll get to this website. Now, all you have to do is create an account. To create an account, you'll have to click on this Join button, then enter your details on this page. Once you have filled up the form, click on this button. Once you do so, your account will be created. Then, you can log into your account by clicking on this yellow button. Once you click on the button, you'll have to enter your login credentials on this box, then click on Login. If you're having trouble logging in, you can click on this link to get help. Once you click on the Login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, to place bets, all you have to do is go to the sports section. And once you're on this section, scroll down and select any sport. For example, I'll select this match. To place your bets, all you have to do is click on the odds. For example, I'll just select this. Just like so, you can place any bets. Now, to add this bet to your slip, all you have to do is click on this green button, then click on this arrow. Then, it will show your accumulator. You can enter your amount in this box, just like so. At last, you can place your bet by clicking on this button. Before placing your bets, you'll have to add a deposit amount into your account. To do so, go back, then click on your profile at the top right corner. Then, click on this deposit button. Once you do so, you'll have to enter your bank details, then enter the amount of deposit in this box, then click on this button. Once you do so, the amount will be added to your account, and you can use that amount to place bets. If you win the bets, the amount that you can cash out will be shown in this area where it says withdrawable. To cash out, you can click on Bank. Once you reach this page, click on Withdraw, and enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You'll also have to enter your account's password. Once you do so, the amount will be added to your bank account. So, this is how you play on Bet365. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.